got pork in my teeth.
Pork? We shouldn't take a bite then, should you?
I'm starving.
Okay.
I go, we love the Poundshop. We love the Poundshop.
Do you know I'm recording?
Oh yeah.
Hi, this is my mum. Introduce yourself.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Ronnie and this is my mum.
Hi, I'm Adele with an E.
Yeah, today we're going to be doing her dreads. She wanted some more in. We took them out a couple of weeks ago and she wanted some more in, so we decided to add them in again today. Explain what's happening, Mum.
Okay.
Explain what's happening, Mum.
I'm ginger and grey and I'm now bleached with a Poundshop
Box.
Simply Pastels.
It's from the Poundshop.
Dirty pink.
We use chalk as well, so all the dreads are chalk and her hair's this.
And now Ron is going to spray my ginger roots, come grey, with L'Oreal Magic Touch. Because you're worth it.
We're trying the dark brown out. We have actually been spraying your roots and we think it's stained a bit, don't we, actually? Because they're looking a bit darker.
Bleeds down as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. But Mum's always liked, because I've got really dark hair, Mum's always liked dark roots. So we've come to this conclusion.
I've always been like, I want your roots.
Yeah.
You've always been like, I
want your
roots,
ginger.
because they blend better. And I'm like, I don't want blending roots.
It does make it blend.
Do it. Do it.
I'm scared because it's dark brown. I feel like it's
I
like
am.
black.
Don't put it on my forehead, though.
Oh,
It's cold.
oh, it's really dark.
Oh my god. Rub it in.
I'm gonna. I'm just sort of like rubbing it in, so I'm spraying it and then rubbing it.
Is it a lot darker then than that other one?
It's a bit darker. We're gonna see if this lasts a bit longer as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Got a wet wipe. You got sideburns. Got a wet wipe.
I would like the sideburns and the moustache. Is it a lot darker?
It's a bit darker. Not a lot darker, but a bit darker. It's not as dark as I thought it was going to be, so that's quite good. I thought it was going to be like way too dark. It's going to be sideburns again.
It's on my looks.
It's everywhere. It's here, I can see it here. You're making yourself look great. You get it all over your hands. Get it all over my hands.
Get out of the way.
Okay, so I'm selling some beads and we decided to put a couple in Mum's hair. These are a couple of them.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I'm going to put the link in the description. So this is what I don't usually do this, but I'm going to have to put the tweezers through there. Grab it with the tweezers and pull it through.
I made a little wire thing.
Alright, with the tweezers. Like that.
And how much you selling these beads for, Ronnie?
Can't remember. If you buy 6, you're getting them for 50p. If you buy 10, you're getting them for 40p. And if you buy 20, you're getting them for 30p. There you go. Stop moving your head.
It's pretty zicky.
Are you gonna pick him up? Maybe I can pick him up if you're gonna pick him up. Oh, he didn't like that. You can't even see him, Mum. You need to like. Oh, that looks so cute. Hello. Hello. Mum likes the plotty method, don't you, Mum?
I don't like any method really. I prefer to have real ones, but I don't. We could have Madonna playing now.
Well, we couldn't because I'm still recording. And it's copyright, innit?
How do you get told off then?
Well, yeah, I think so. Mum.
You want some dreads? And we don't. I like my new pound glasses. They look like Bono.
These were the first dreads. Oh my god. Mum, why are your phone so low? These are the first dreads I ever made. We've had a very stressful last few days.
I think I sing through it.
We're losing our minds. Have a look at that.
Super duper.
I can't keep forgetting you've got them glasses on until you turn around.
You're trying.
I'm alright, thanks. Brilliant. I'm alright, thanks. Dad! Hi, Dad. Do you want to come say hi?
Well, what are you doing?
Video.
What?
Come here.
What?
Because we're doing a family thing.
A family thing? Yeah. Oh, you two all dressed up and posing at me and just come off from work, are you?
Just done my hair.
I've just done her hair. I've just done her roots.
Another time.
What, when you're all dressed up?
Yeah.
I feel under pressure because Dad's watching me. I keep looking at him like,
I can't stop looking at myself.
I know, it's so funny, isn't it? You're not supposed to be looking there though, you're supposed to be looking there.
Oh, I'm looking there.
She's looking at herself rather than the camera.
That's bad, ain't it?
I'm looking at the camera. Camera, not viewfinder. Camera. Okay, so thank you for watching. I don't know what this video is going to be like at all. We'll just see in the editing process. Apologies. Many apologies.
Just make it and then delete it.
Make it have like 2 views and be like, okay, bye now. Delete it off the channel. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to be like. I hope it's entertaining. We had fun making it, so we'll see. It was have fun.
Tell them how old I am.
Go on then, tell them how old you are.
I'm 47.
Is that right?
Yeah. I'll be your one star.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Let me know if you want me to do more videos with my mum, because I think she's enjoyed it.
What if you say no? I feel really hurt.
What? Everyone will love you.
Don't bother with your mum.
She wants to do more videos, so tell me that you want her in these videos.
I am an